Okay, kasi kandila ba?
So madaldan, ha? Like before, tahimik mo. Kailan bakasyon nyo?
Ano?
Galing magsalaw yan.
Turuan mo nga si Jasmine. Napakamayayain ng anak kong yun.
Paano ba ito? Ang ganda naman ng cake. Let Kuya blow it.
Liit.
Okay.
Okay. Kasi hindi naubos eh.
Happy
Birthday to you. Dear.
birthday
To you. Happy birthday, dear Jurel. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Blow. Wish. Blow. Wish.
Yay!
Mayayain talaga.
Okay. You can open.
Okay, you can eat cake. Oh, how about the present? Open present. Come on.
Hindi kay Rayalon. Hindi kasi nag-aano siya.
Ruby, nasaan Ruby?
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Pinuhulugan mo yung brace niya?
Oo. Yung kay Eva. Yung kay Eva, walang bayad. Kakilala niya.
Nirefer ni Doktora. Ay, si Doktora mismo nag-refer. 3.8 yan?
Sino yung Papa Bray?
Si Joseph, meron siya dalawa rito. Sabi ko sa kanya, papabrace ka kapag marunong ka na magsipilo. Kasi ang hirap na ganyan magsisira.
That's from Marikel. You did not read?
Saan yan yung kay Eva?
Yung kay Eva, walang bayad. Kaso kailangan ng insurance ka. Alam mo na sila ang gagawa.
Kuya, yung face niya.
Goes again.
Nirequest niya yan eh. Meron pa nga siyang shrimp nugget. Yun ang mga paborito niya. Yung mga paborito niya.
Dito.
Si Rui, ito sagot niya rin.
Dapat pala eh.
Here.
Yung mga request niya, yung mga ano.
From,
List, ano wala?
from whom?
Ate Maureen.
Mariel, that's not yours. You let Kuya do it.
Pa siyang ano eh.
Bago siya lang pala.
I know.
Pinover niya sa Barnes & Noble.
Noble.
Tapos pinadeliver dito.
Galit kay Kikit yan. Mayayain mo kita na. O yan daw galing, that's from her, Jurel.
I know. What is that?
Nandito yung kay tita.
Okay, give it to us, to Kuya. I'll open it. Oh, excuse me.
Ba't ba nandiyan kayo sa sulok? Nahihirapan tuloy ako.
I need stairs for one weekend.
Ha? Yun yung it?
What are those?
Dairy for whipping cream.
Ha?
Dairy for whipping cream.
Diary.
Yeah. Here.
May
There's the other one.
Hindi, pinagbabasa ng ating.
Stop opening it, Maria.
Here, show me.
Open it. Read it.
From whom?
Happy birthday, Gerald. Love, Mommy, Daddy, Mary, and Aljor.
Very good. Open. Here.
Why you kiss that?
What's that?
What? I don't know. I'm not looking.
Asus.
It's just
Surpasan yung pagtingnan.
Bakugan. I knew it's Bakugan. Those are Bakugan. Oh, I like these toys. This is my present.
Oo nga, magdala ka doon. It's
Ang
no.
galing ng anak eh, no? Yung anak eh.
You read it.
Hi, Bakugan.
Ikaw ang ganda. Dala mo yung nanay mo. Alas 7, alas 8 na ay.
That's Grandma Nana.
Hey, King. Magdala ka.
Thank you, Grandma Nana.
From?
Oh, it's pants.
From whom?
Grandma Nana.
Oh, say thank you.
Where's she?
Where is she?
Ayaw nila pumupunta. Hindi sila
Nahihiya.
Saka,
Mas mahihayin yung lalaki.
Oh, Brownie. Brown.
Oh, there's the card.
there's the card.
Wait.
Later,
You can remove that later. You're not going to wear it yet.
you read it.
August.
Birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Magna 8 years old na. 7 na.
Holly.
8.
Mhm.
Ayun, 9. Jurel.
That's my grandma and grandpa.
Aha.
Wow, money, I think.
Yung mukhang binayad mo.
It is money.
Oh, wow.
Oh, put in your piggy bank.
I don't have a piggy bank.
Oh.
We will put that in the
There's
bank.
coin. Oh.
In my bag.
Oh, there's another
In my
envelope.
pocket bag.
Put in your pocket.
Wow, we got a
Don't give that to your mom, ha?
Hindi, no-pick up sila ng bangko.
Napin mo na kanina. Di ba buti?
Do you like
Where? You read? To here. Look at me.
Magkano si ano? Bagong kay yung nirekan ni Dr. Diallo? 3.8? 3.8 yung inano sa kanya kasi may kasama ng Joe. Oh, dahil yung bike niya. Ito.
Oh, look. This is another.
It's a gift card.
Oh,
Say thank you to Tita Carol. Yeah, to her.
may insurance.
Say thank you. Oh, here.
Yeah,
Okay, put also in your... Keep this.
card.
Yeah, it's a gift card.
I got a gift card.
Mhm. Put in your pocket.
What's but it doesn't have any
Gift card.
Ano ako nakadala sa Target pag bumili.
Oh,
Oh, say thank you. Say,
yes, thank you.
Hindi na ako nakadala pag bumili.
say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sige pa yung kanina niya. Ang bait-bait mo.
Hindi nagmana sa akin.
Mga anak natin, hindi nagmana sa atin.
No, that's
Bakit kaya?
natin.
Si Pepay, nagmana sa'yo, Ruin. Mukhang hindi rin.
Ayaw magmana sa
Ayan, ako,
Ayan, ayan.
Wow, cash. Put in your pocket.
Send your way. Okay, and sunshine to brighten your special day.
Sabi ko, ano niya yan?
Talaga nagbabasa pa siya. Oh, put the card here. And then put that in your pocket.
Oo, ano nagmana sa amin eh.
Okay?
Parang natin nabawasan ng isang gano'n, ano?
Okay.
Give me some brownies.
Oy, baka gusto yung cake ni ano, Kate. Kate, cake.